Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Alex and Daisy English. Alex, I have one question for you today. When someone says, tell me about yourself, what do you feel?
Honestly, a little scared. My mind goes blank.
Yes, exactly. I knew it wasn't just me.
Wait, you feel that way too? You always sound confident.
Oh no, inside I'm a total mess. My hands get cold, my heart goes fast.
That's funny. Such a simple question, right? Four little words, and yet, boom, panic.
Exactly. 4 words and my brain freezes.
Okay, so today, let's fix this together. We'll talk about what to say and how.
Yes, please. I need this for real.
Let's start with a story, a small one. Last month, I was at a party. A woman next to me looked friendly. She smiled and said, "Hi, tell me about yourself."
Oh no, what did you do?
I said, I'm Alex. I'm a teacher. Then I just looked at my drink, silent.
An English teacher with no words?
I know, it was so embarrassing.
I love that you admit this, Alex. People think teachers are perfect. We're not.
Not at all. So I started to think, why is this question so hard?
Maybe because it's too open?
Yes, that's the problem right there. It feels like, tell me your whole life.
And our brain says, where do I start?
Exactly. So we freeze or we say too little.
Or worse, we say way too much. My friend Mia once talked for 10 minutes straight. Her name, her dog, her school, her ex-boyfriend.
Her ex at the first meeting?
I'm not kidding. The other person just stared.
Oh, poor Mia. We won't do that today.
No, we won't. So, what's the secret?
I think the secret is small and clear. Give 2 or 3 things, not your life story.
Okay, like what kind of things?
3 simple parts: name, job or study, one fun fact.
Just 3? That sounds easy.
It is. Let me show you. Ask me.
Okay, Alex, tell me about yourself.
Hi, I'm Alex. I teach English online, and in my free time, I love hiking.
Oh, nice. Short, clear, and friendly.
Right? 3 parts, done in 10 seconds.
Let me try. Daisy, tell me about yourself. I'm Daisy. I'm a podcast host with Alex, and I really love baking on the weekend.
Perfect. See, it's not so hard.
Wait, podcast host, is that a real word?
Yes, it is. Host means the main speaker, like in a show or a party. You welcome people.
Oh, I like that. I'm a host. Fancy.
Fancy Daisy, the podcast host.
But Alex, I want to push back here. Sometimes 3 things feel too cold, like a robot reading from a list.
You have a point. Tell me more.
In a job interview, 3 things are great, but at a party, it feels stiff.
Okay, I see what you mean now. So we change it based on the place?
Yes, at a party, add a small story. I'm Daisy. I bake. Last week, I burned a cake.
Oh, that's so sweet, little story. Now I want to know more. A good intro opens the door for more questions.
Yes, that's the goal, right? Not to finish the talk, to start it.
Hold on, that's a good one. Not to finish the talk, to start it. Can we put that in big letters somewhere?
Sure. Quote of the day.
Let me try a small language highlight. You said, open the door for more questions. That's a nice phrase to learn.
Oh, yes. What does it mean exactly?
It means you give people a way to ask more. You don't close the chat, you invite them in.
Like leaving a door a little open.
Exactly. Use it today, everyone. My answer opened the door for more questions.
Love it. Okay, another situation. What if you're really not interesting?
Wait, everyone is interesting, Daisy.
Are you sure? My life is pretty normal. I work, I bake, I sleep. The end.
But that's not boring at all. Normal is not the same as boring.
Say more.
Your normal is someone else's new. A baker is so cool for a non-baker.
Oh, I never thought about it that way.
People love to hear about real things, real life, real stories, real you.
That's actually really kind, Alex.
It's true. Don't say, I'm boring. That's not a good intro ever.
Right. Don't sell yourself short.
Oh, sell yourself short. Another nice phrase. It means you say bad things about yourself. You make yourself look smaller than you are.
Yes, don't sell yourself short, people.
Even if you feel shy, even if you feel new, you have something good to share.
That's a beautiful message for our listeners.
Okay, let's do a quick recap. 1. Keep it short. 3 parts.
2. Change it for the place, party, or interview.
3. Have one small story ready.
4. Practice out loud. Leo the plant agrees.
5. Don't sell yourself short.
5 tips, easy to remember.
Now let's test you, listeners. Stop the audio for 10 seconds. Then say your answer out loud.
Yes, 3 parts. Name, job or study, 1 fun fact.
Go. We'll wait.
Okay, how did it go? Was it hard?
First time is always a little weird, but you did it. That's the win.
Try it again tomorrow morning, then maybe at lunch, then in the evening.
After a week, it'll feel normal. After a month, it'll feel easy.
Small practice every day, big change later.
That's such a good way to say it. Small drops fill a big cup.
Oh, I like that one too.
We're on fire today with quotes.
Maybe it's the coffee.
Maybe. Okay, before we close, we want to hear from you, our listeners.
Yes, here's our challenge for today. Write your answer in the comments below. Name, job or study, 1 fun fact.
Just 3 lines. Don't sell yourself short.
We'll read every single one, promise.
I learned so much today, Daisy.
Really? You're the teacher.
I'm a teacher who learns from you. That's why I love our podcast.
Aw, that's so sweet, Alex. And listeners, thank you for being here.
If this helped you, hit like. If you want more, hit subscribe.
Subscribe to Alex and Daisy English right now. New episode every week, same time, same us.
Same Alex, same Daisy, new topics.
Stay curious, keep speaking, even to plants.
Especially to plants. They never judge you.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.
Bye. Go practice with Leo.